Hey, it's Mark with the Wandering Reseller. I'm wandering today, uh, heading to the warehouse, dropping off some items that aren't listed that I'm going to be separating and sorting at the warehouse a couple days a week, separating for the flea market and what I want to sell online. So I got a little diversifying. I gotta build that second drip. I can't. So hopefully the goal will be Saturdays flea market. Thursday, Fridays will be the warehouse. Wednesday will be a pickup for storage lockers. Mondays and Thursday evenings will be shipping and listing in between, scheduled listings. So yeah, I knew obviously it's going to always be adjusted and modified. We're always tweaking it, try to make it better. But I'm in Old Faithful, and it's going good. It's running well. I got it loaded down with the kayak and about 5 totes. I didn't completely load it down on top. I have the racks I could have used, but I plan on taking the shell off it, giving me more room to take stuff to the flea market. And the goal is to wear this car out doing storage lockers. I gotta find, I got a plan. I have to make a little bit more money. And I did about 25 storage lockers in 2019, beginning of 2020, and shut it down after COVID, and I hadn't started it again. I didn't have a place for storage. Now I do, and I didn't really understand how storage locker resellers rely on thrift stores, or not thrift stores, flea markets. And I've been studying that and figured out where they go and what sells, what doesn't. So I'll be using Facebook Marketplace, flea markets, and eBay, and hopefully get 3 different revenue streams coming in this next year. Get it kicked back, get myself caught up from being sick. I had vertigo, so it became really difficult. Almost lost everything. I had to kind of start over, and I'm now working 8 to 14 hour days, and I think 14 is going to be the max. I was working a lot before I got sick, so I might have overworked myself. But I got 10 more hard years, and then after that I'll be cruising. Hopefully I have enough inventory listed and good stuff inventory, not just this low value items that are, selling 12 to 20 items a day, and they're all under, total of $12, $15 purchases. So I'm hoping doing storage lockers to increase that value up to $50 listings, keeping them somewhat small. I don't want to get into larger boxes, and I might be doing like priority flat rate boxes that keeps the shipping, keeps me from losing money. And so I'm about to get on the freeway, and I'll cut us back in when I get to the warehouse. It's going to be something new that I do, and I enjoy doing what I do. So sit back and enjoy it. If you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe. You guys have a great day.